Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video we are going to learn about how to freeze and unfreeze columns and rows while working on Excel worksheet. So coming to our first example, here we have data of employees, its name, building, department, employee ID and benefits composition, etc. And as you can see there are so many columns here and also 742 rows and while working on this data you will go below and as it is too far from the first row you are not able to see the column names that you have assigned to each column, and in all those cases you must be want to see the first column name, that is the headings of that data, and in order to do that you will use freeze option. How to do that? We will go to view, freeze panes and freeze top row. Yeah, as easy as that. Now we can check, we can go below far from the first row and we can see that the first row is frozen and we can see the headings of the data as we have assigned. And now let's unfreeze this. And coming to a second example, um, there are also many of the columns here, and you are going um, top right of the data and you can see composition, ratings, but you cannot see the employee names here. But you while looking at this data you must be wanting to employee names to understand that to which employee it relates to, and to do that you must be wanting to froze the first column. And to do that, same thing, go to freeze panes and freeze first column. Not like this. You have to go first to the employee name that you want to freeze, and now freeze first column. As while working on it, it will freeze the first column that is visible on the sheet at that time. Alright, now you can go top right and you can see that we have successfully frozen the first column. And now we can unfreeze this. And now many of the example you will be wanting to freeze both rows and columns, like first row and first column. So to do that it will be uh, used as this option freeze panes, and this will be used basically the selection you have made, cell selection you have made on your Excel sheet, like to do this freezing on first column and first row. You will be have to go between that is the B2. So that is between first row and first column, it is B2, and then we will select this and go to freeze panes. And now you can see that we have successfully done the thing that we wanted. We can see the first row and see the first column as frozen. And now on a second example, first we unfreeze this. In this case we want first two columns, that is employee name and building name, and first row, that is a column names. And to do that we will go to again between these things, A and B and C. So the cell between them is the first cell between them, between this selection is C2. Now we will go to C2 and then click freeze panes. So yeah, so we can see that we have successfully frozen the column name A and B and first row, as we wanted to see employee name and building and also the columns of the data. headings of the data. So as simple as that, we can do that. And to unfreeze that, you must know that the option of undo, that is you can do it by Control Z, is not applicable on this function. So in order to undo this function, you always have to unfreeze your panes. Yeah, now there is nothing frozen in this sheet, no rows and no columns. So yeah, that was it for today. And yeah, please share this video to anyone who is struggling with Excel, and please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you.